Some TPT stores feel incredibly easy to shop. Others feel confusing almost immediately. And buyers respond to that difference very quickly. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for 17 years and have consistently stayed in the top 300 sellers. One thing I know is this: strong stores usually reduce buyer friction. Weak stores often increase it, and that difference quietly impacts visibility, conversion, repeat buyers, and long-term growth. Teachers make fast decisions on TPT, usually much faster than sellers realize. They are searching quickly, scanning quickly, and comparing quickly. So, when a store feels unclear, disconnected, or difficult to navigate, buyers often leave without exploring further. But stronger stores usually create continuity. Products connect naturally. Related resources make sense together. Next steps feel obvious, and buyers keep moving through the store more easily. That movement matters enormously, because every additional product a buyer sees creates another opportunity for trust, visibility, and future sales. In the beginning, I focused heavily on individual products, but eventually I started looking more closely at buyer behavior, store movement, and product connections. And once I understood how strongly store structure impacted buyer behavior, my entire approach started changing. Strong TPT stores usually do not grow through randomness. They grow through clarity, connection, and reduced friction. Sometimes growth slows down not because products are weak, but because buyers are struggling to move naturally through the store itself. And if you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next set of videos, we're going to start breaking down how stronger operational systems help TPT sellers manage growth more strategically. I will see you in the next video.